This is just a quick video on how to remove a trigger lock from your firearm in the event that you've lost your key. This video is purely for educational purposes only. The tools that you'll need are a 3mm or size 3 drill bit and some sort of pick with a very fine tip on it. You'll see that I've pre-drilled this hole here. This hole needs to be exactly where I've drilled it. Behind this casting there is a release pin. The hole itself wants to be between 1 and 2mm deep, but you don't want to go deep enough where you drill through that pin, otherwise you're buggered. You'll see that there is a hole that you can put your pick into. All you need to do is insert your pick and lever up on that pin and you'll see it slide. Now I'll try and do this with one hand. It might prove difficult, but all you do is you put your pick in there, lever on that pin and slide up. And you'll see that there is a bunch or a series of grooves here on the shaft, which basically clamp and cause a friction on this half here. And when you're levering on that pin, which is this bit here, it just slides right off. So I'll put this back on again. And I'll try and do that a bit faster for you guys. So you'll see that slide up. And it just simply slides right off like that. Again, in the hole, lever up, and slides right off.